Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye for darker skin tones. Stay tuned. Alright, now I'm going to start brushing my eyebrows with the spoolie. Now personally, unless I'm going to a big event, you will not catch me filling in my eyebrows, but that's just personal preference. Now I'm just concealing the bottom of my eyebrows with LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using the shade Suede. I try and avoid concealing the top just to avoid the whole halo brow thing. Pro tip: when you're concealing, drag the concealer down as you go, but try to avoid the concealer closest to your eyebrow. Now I'm taking my James Charles palette. I'm using the two red and orange shades. Well, I guess there are a couple more, but I'm using those shades and just packing them a little over my crease. Now, watching this video, I'm convinced y'all must think I'm crazy using orange, but please, please, please just trust the process. Now I'm going in with the dark purple shade. The reason why I do this is because just using a black or a dark brown appears a little too harsh. So in order to keep it from looking too bold, well, I mean, it ends up looking bold, but in order to avoid making it look a little too much, I like to use purple. And I don't know, the purple just gives it a little undertone. Now after I blend that out, I'm going in with the dark brown shade and just packing that underneath my crease. Try not to get it above the crease. You'll do that a little later. Here I continue to blend everything out. Bear in mind though, once I'm done, I'm going to be doing my lashes off camera. Here's where the black comes in. So I'm doing the same exact thing that I did with the brown with the black. Now I know y'all are wondering why I have a blanket around me. I just don't want to get my shirt dirty. But I'm going in with the Fenty foundation, shade 450. Now that was the moment I realized I forgot to use primer, but it was totally fine. I'm at home anyways. Now the reason why my foundation bottle is open is because I dropped the bottle, had to open the bottle just so I can use it because the nozzle was completely broken, but it still works, so it's okay. Now I'm using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer I used on my eyebrows just to highlight my under eyes and the rest of my T-zone area. Let me tell you, makeup has just become a form of therapy for me, and I feel like, especially during these times, we all have to find something that is therapeutic to us, something that keeps us sane. Oh, I completely forgot to mention the lip gloss I have on my lips right now is one of my closest friends' brands, Kisses by Tay. Now at this point I could be done, but I like a dramatic highlight, especially when I'm doing a smoky eye, so I'm going in with the same concealer brand but in the shade Fawn. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Concealer to contour. I think it's the shade Espresso, but I don't know, to be completely honest. I just picked up the darkest one that Sephora had. Ignore my facial expressions. I don't know what I was doing there. Oh, another pro tip. Let me tell you, if you are trying to create the false illusion of having snatched cheekbones like I am trying to do, conceal or contour a little above your natural contour line on your cheeks. I promise you it works wonders. Also blend up when you're blending that area. Now I'm going in with my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Medium Deep. I'm putting this everywhere I concealed my face to avoid creasing. We do not bake over here, sis. Repeat after me. Do not bake. Press it into your skin. To reverse contour, I'm going in with the Nye Neutral Set Colorless Powder. Now for setting spray, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray. Personally, I don't like looking too matte. I don't know why I bought it. I'm pretty oily, so I guess I thought that, that would be perfect for me, but I don't know how I feel about it. And highlighter, I just have a random drugstore highlighter. I'll try and find the name and put it in the description box. Now that highlighter is a little more bronze, but in order to make my highlighter pop, I go in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. I love using blush, so I'm going in with the NYX Primal Colors blush in the shade Hot Red. It's a pressed pigment and I love this stuff. Now, I'm a little boring when it comes to lip colors. I'm just using a clear lip gloss. And that is all for this look. Thank you so much for watching.